Saskatchewan Polytechnic is working to reduce skills shortages. The signs of change are everywhere. As industries adapt to rapid technological advancements and adopt greener operations, our workforce needs to keep pace. Reports indicate that skills-related job vacancies are costing Canada $25 billion a year. In response to these new realities, Saskatchewan Polytechnic is using its industry connections and hands-on education to prepare learners with the skills most in demand. Training is developed and delivered in collaboration with industry leaders and takes place in specialized labs and classrooms. Canadians at all stages of their careers benefit from the breadth of credentials offered by Saskatchewan Polytechnic. In addition to degrees and diplomas, micro-credentials allow mid-career professionals to quickly modernize their skills, while applied certificates provide students with the comprehensive knowledge and training to competently and confidently enter their fields. Developing a highly skilled talent pipeline, Polytechnics are ready for the challenge.